Okay, so there are a few things that will affect your performance, whether it's a sporting performance or just your daily how you're feeling. Have you ever woken up in the morning and you did not sleep well that night and you can't even put a sentence together? There's a reason for that. When you sleep at night, your brain files away all the information from the day, right? Oh, they're going to need this information. We'll leave it up here. This is going to go to the back of the brain. We're going to file. Think of it like a filing system. It never gets filed. So you're walking into a mishmash brain for the new day, and you have to get rest. And there are so many different ways to get rest. And I'm going to talk about just a few things that you could do at bedtime. Turn off your technology. Take your phone, put it in your bedside drawer, shut the drawer. Don't try to go to sleep while you're watching TikTok. Even though it'll make you tired, it's not going to help you get a restful night. Monitor your sleep. See how you're really doing. There's the Vivo and the Apple Watch, and see how much deep sleep are you getting. So a good amount of deep sleep would be 1/4 of the amount of time you're asleep.